Welcome to this audio sample of Stepping on Fear 31 Days to Unstoppable Clarity, Confidence, and Courage. Written and read by myself, the author, RJ Jackson, the Courage Giver. Day 1. The moment she stopped hiding. Her story. She had always been the quiet achiever, the one who worked hard behind the scenes, avoiding attention and let others take the spotlight. She believed that blending in was safer, that showing her full self, well, that was too risky. But inside, her heart pulsed with ideals, dreams, and desires that she had never voiced. Every time she shrank to make space for others, a little piece of her lit spark dimmed, until one day she looked in the mirror and asked herself a question that would change everything. What if I stopped hiding? That question was simple yet seismic. It reminded her that her voice mattered, her presence was valuable, and her truth deserved to be seen. The quiet life she had accepted out of fear could no longer contain her. She stepped into the fullness of her own story, vulnerable, bold, and unapologetic. Are you her? Do you hide in the shadows, afraid of taking up too much space? Do you dim your voice so others feel more comfortable? It's time to reclaim yourself and step fully into your story. The soul shift. She realized hiding was costing her joy, connection, and fulfillment. She understood that courage wasn't the absence of fear, it was acting despite it. Showing up, even imperfectly, allowed her to reclaim her power and invite others to do the same. The cure: clarity, understanding, reclaim, and execute. Clarity. Your presence is a gift. Your silence is optional. Understanding. Hiding doesn't protect you, it diminishes your spirit. Reclaim. You get to occupy your space boldly. Do it. Execute. Your story is worthy of being told. Her I am her declaration. I release the fear that keeps me small. I step into the fullness of my voice, my presence, and my purpose. Her red high heel moment. Speak one truth out loud today that you've been holding inside. Say it. Let it land. Let it live. I trust that you have enjoyed this small sample of Stepping on Fear. Your hard copy of Stepping on Fear is in the mail and will arrive in your mailbox shortly. We encourage you to register for November 8th, the I Am Her gathering, where we will network, connect, heal, grow, and belong together. Space is limited, so don't forget to register. Use the code on the back of your ticket to complete your registration. The link will also be sent to you via email. Thank you for being the most valuable part of the I Am Her community. And yes, you are her, and you are unstoppable.